The VANLINNY Robotic Arm Kit VB-101 is an exceptional educational toy that combines a high-quality build with interactive learning, perfect for young budding engineers. Crafted from durable ABS and aluminum alloys, this kit ensures longevity and withstands enthusiastic play, making it a reliable choice for active youngsters. With its ability to move at multiple angles and perform tasks like grabbing, this robotic arm kit provides an engaging introduction to basic programming concepts. The inclusion of a battery, special track, USB charging cable, and remote control allows for extended playtime and long-distance control, adding to the kit's versatility. Designed with user-friendly assembly instructions, the kit encourages hands-on learning and creativity, which is ideal for children eager to explore technology. Not only is it a fun and educational gift for children aged 8 to 12, but it also comes with a reassuring customer-first policy, ensuring satisfaction and support.